Wanted, someone who will enjoy, love, and care for this solid country bungalow as much as it has been loved and cared for by the same owner for the past 3 decades. Sitting on a private 1.9 acres, just 15 minutes from downtown Peterborough, this 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom home is move-in ready, with space for you to add your personal touches. These main floor principal rooms are spacious, with the kitchen, living room, and dining room all open to each other. 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom complete the main floor, with the primary bedroom having a walkout to the rear deck. Downstairs, you'll find the cozy rec room, 4th bedroom, workshop, and plenty of storage space, all with a full-height ceiling. Outside, this property is completely enclosed by mature trees, lending a rural sensibility while being close to the city. The almost 2-acre lot is level and mostly clear. And there's a separate drive to this 40 by 24-foot garage or workshop, which has concrete floors, 2 bay doors, and a trussed roof. A pre-list home inspection is available. It's easy to see that this home and property have been so lovingly cared for. Are you the right fit for it?